friends, welcome back to my channel. This is day 4 of my wash and go. I'm about to show you how I will do an updo because they're super cute and they extend the life of your wash and go. Alright, let's get right into it. I'm going strawberry picking today. I'm super busy, so I just wanted to do this real quick. So I've already showered. I didn't wear a shower cap. I allowed the shower to kind of mist my hair. And now I'm using a spray bottle of water to continue to add more moisture. And I'm using this detangle brush to create the shape that I'm going to need for the updo. I also have a video on the wash and go. The last one I did was a MIELLE wash and go. I use MIELLE products, so you can definitely check that out as well. Alright, my updo shape is coming along. What I am going to use, I cannot open this jar. I'm using the Edgebooster, the one in the yellow jar, for coarse hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it around the edges to kind of lay the edges down and get it nice and flat. And then I'll use kind of a more bristly brush to start to smooth the hair into an updo shape. Alright, if you are new here, welcome. Please hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bells for when I drop new videos. Also follow me on Instagram at Jodi M. Mosley. I definitely appreciate you being here. Alright, so we're creating this updo pattern, and it's coming along. Gonna use a bit more gel to sleek it down some more. I just like to apply it directly onto the hair.
So continue to add more Edgebooster. Use your bristly brush to brush it in. Use your hands to smooth it, allowing the edges to start to lay flat and allowing the pineapple shape to start to form. Continue to do that, and then we'll put on our band in the next clip.
And I will take out some of the sides. So I'll pull out a little portion like so. Then I will grab one of these guys, just a normal stretchy band. I got these at Target. They come as a pack of like 3 or more, I believe. And so what I did was I put it over my head, my neck, and then I doubled it. So it's going to be tighter fit. And then I'm just going to slide it up to the position that I want my updo to be in. So slide. Slide it up some more in the back. And then you just pull your hair through and start to fluff it out and give it that pineapple shape.
So continue to pull your hair through, continue to help the curls form. So you can add some more water and stretch the curls, give them more definition. Also, make sure that your band is sitting where you want it. I like mine to be a little higher in the back and lower in the front so that my pineapple sits forward a bit more.
Alright friends, here is the finished product. So little tricks for you. After your hair dries out a little, you can go over it with a second layer of the Edgebooster because the Edgebooster doesn't stick very well to wet hair. So once it gets a little dry, you can put on some more so you get that nice laid look. And you can run a little on your leave out as well. Make it nice and springy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, if you like my dress, this is a Christopher John Rogers dress, and I will be doing a video on this piece and others that I have, so definitely stay tuned.